You're looking to make some extra cash online, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can earn money with Adsterra. Let's get started. First things first, what is Adsterra? Adsterra is an advertising network that helps you monetize your website or app by displaying ads. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Sign up for an Adsterra account. Head over to adsterra.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your email, create a password, and fill in some basic information about yourself and your website or app. Once you've filled in all the details, check your email for a verification link and click on it to activate your account. Step 2. Add your site or app. After logging in, go to the Sites tab on your dashboard and click Add New Site. Enter your website URL and choose the ad formats you want to use. Adsterra offers various ad types like display banners, pop-unders, and native ads. Step 3. Generate and place the ad code. Once your site is approved, go to the Ad Zones tab to create a new ad zone. Customize it to fit your site's layout, then copy the ad code provided. Paste this code into the HTML of your site where you want the ads to appear. This is usually done in the header, footer, or sidebar of your site. Step 4. Monitor your performance. Head back to your Adsterra dashboard to track how your ads are performing. You'll see metrics like impressions, clicks, and earnings. This will help you understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your ad placements or formats based on this data to maximize your earnings, and that's it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to earning money through Adsterra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.